Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Nerdwallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nerdwallet website where you can sign up and create a new account by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner. You can then directly continue with your Apple account by clicking on Continue with Apple, or you can manually fill up the form. Just type in your first and your last name and then your email address and then type in the desired password for your account. Then just click on the Continue button and now you will be asked to choose a security question. Just click on the drop down menu and then just select your preferred question and then provide the answer as well. Finally, click on the Continue button and now you will be signed up and taken into your dashboard. And now you can immediately start using Nerdwallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Nerdwallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.